Hi guys, Julie Picks. I wanted to start this video with me showing you how I prep my canvas. I'm going to be doing an ocean wave string pull, and here's my canvas. I'm using a 15 by 30, and what you'll need is, of course, your tape for the backing, your push pins to stand your canvas up, scissors to cut your yarn, to cut your tape, cups to mix your paint, and most of all, your string. If you prefer string, I prefer yarn, a little bit heavier weight yarn. It holds the paint better. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to start mixing the paint, and I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to get right into the painting itself. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I've already started flipping some of the cups. I'm going to flip one for you, but I wanted to show you the colors. We're going to be using Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. I'm going to show you down here so you can see a better view of the color. And this is a Lucas Light Blue. And this is Lucas Prussian Blue. It's my favorite color to do oceans with. And gold, it's a metallic gold. I don't know if you'll be able to see the glitter in it, but I add very fine glitter. This is for the sand. And this is the glitter that I use. Extra fine, iridescent. And just plain white for the waves. And everything is with Floetrol. All the paints have 2:1, Floetrol 2, paints 1, tiny bit of water. And let me do this last flip cup for you, and then we'll get started with the video so I can show you how to do an ocean wave string pull. Let's do this last flip cup. Okay, here we go. Let's do it over in this corner here. Ready? Go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This whole thing is so pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like before I spread that around. It's so, so pretty. Now the cobalt blue is not showing up that well, but in the pictures that I take in the final, I'm going to take better pictures and get that cobalt to show up when it's all done. Okay, I'm going to continue on to the actual painting itself next. Hope you enjoy. Okay, hi again, it's Julie Picks. Okay, let's start making our ocean string pull. I was just laying down the string on the bottom, just testing it out. Okay, and make sure your string or your yarn is cut longer than the length of your, at least size and a half of your canvas, and you're going to double it, dunk it down into your paint, and drain the paint off of it. Not totally, obviously. Okay, open it up. This is going to be your sand. We're starting off with the sand color. Okay, make it go straight across the very bottom. Once it starts wiggling, it stops wiggling itself. Okay, straight across. Let it sit there for a few seconds. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a wavy line going back, coming back over to yourself. So make it go up and down like the sand would. Okay. There we go. Good. Okay. Now let's try one more of those. We're going to do one more sand one, because we're going to end up going over the sand with some of the water, not real water, the paint colored water. And I want to make sure we have enough of the sand that it shows up. So let's dunk the string, fold it in half again, down into your cup of paint, mixed with your glitter and your Floetrol. Get it nice and saturated. And bring it back up and drain the excess off. Okay, a little extra on there. I want it to get itself in a knot. And we do not need a knot right now. Let's see if it is. No, it's not a knot. Thank goodness. Okay. Let's go back across again. Okay. Trying to keep it on the canvas towards the very edge. Bring it up here. And around again. Just keep pulling it towards you. Make any shape that you want, so your sand shows up. Okay. Now we're going to do the waves. So we're going to take another piece of string. This time we're going to go into our white. Okay. So let's see, I'm going to try to bring you guys down a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing a little better. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to dip this into the white. I'm going to get a clean stick, mixing stick. I don't want any colors getting into my white. And let's move the sandy color away. And we're going to take our yarn again, fold it in half, dip that down into your white, get that nice and saturated. Okay. Now, bring it back up. This is a really long piece. Okay. Now we're actually going to run it through a little bit of the sand this time because we want the wave coming up over the sand. So we're going to take this and you're going to make a wavy line this time. Okay. Now we're going to bring it back and pull. All right. And this is where your rag that I told you you should have on hand. to get that paint off your hands from the blue. Another piece of string or yarn. Fold it in half. Now I'm going to go back over that one just to make it a little more intense. So I'm going to go back over the exact shape that I already made. Excuse me. Drain your paint off. Okay. Now let's go back over this. Open your string up, or your yarn, whichever you prefer. Follow your line again. Get back down there. Okay, rest it. Follow it back across. You don't always have to do this, I just like it to be a little more intense. And then lay it down here and pull. Just keep pulling. And there's your first weave. Wipe your hands off. Another string, fold it in half. That's another thing I forgot to mention. Make sure you cut your string in advance. And like I said, make it at least maybe double the size of the canvas, 1.5 to about 2 sizes. Saturate it in your white. As you can see, the finished one that I have shown back here for you guys. See this one? Here's a finished one. Okay. Nice and saturated. Pull it up. Get the paint off. The excess paint, that is. And this is a really long one. Okay. Let's go across this one and leave a little space in between to be able to see your ocean water. So we're going to go across here and across here. Another wavy line. Okay. Pull it back towards you slowly. Alright. Looking good so far. What do you guys think? I like it. I love doing string pulls. Okay, let's do one more above that one. Okay. I don't want to overwhelm you with too many. Okay, let's get this nice and saturated. I'm going to add some more. more white paint. Again, like I said, this is all just mixed with Floetrol, nothing else, and a bit of water. I find that if I use the Liquitex pouring medium, the waves don't come out as distinctive like these do. Believe me, I've tried several different pouring mediums and back to Floetrol for the waves. Okay, here we go. Let's do one more. Maybe we'll run this one into the other one. Let's see. Shell. Let's see. We will bring it up here a little bit. Down into this one. And back over. And then pull it towards yourself in any direction, making more of a wavy line coming back towards yourself. Okay. All right. Let's see how that looks. It looks like we should go through that one. We had a little bit too much blue paint at the top, so I'm going to go back over that one. Oh, sorry about that. I hit the camera. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go back over that top one. With not as much paint this time. Let's see, we still need to add some, a little bit more white in our cup. Okay. Let's get this nice and saturated, and then we'll remove it as it comes up so it doesn't have as much white this time. We just want to get some of that blue off at the top of that top wave. Okay, not too much paint on there. There's only a little bit of paint left on the bottom of the cup. So that should do the trick. Okay, let's start here where we started before. Okay, go right across, and then bring it back. Back towards you. I'll remove some of that blue paint this time. Okay, I'm not real thrilled with this section right here, so I think I'm going to do something about that. Let me move you guys up so you can see it a little better. There we go. I want to move you down so you can see what I was doing. Okay, I'm going to change that little wave. I think I'm going to cut one of my long pieces of yarn in half. And I want to work on that one wave. Okay. some more white paint in here. Oh, we're getting a little low. Okay. Okay. Let's get this one nice and saturated. And we're going to make a smaller wave right here on the end. Let's see how that's going to look. Oh, okay, you don't want that to happen. That's an easy fix. Fill right out. Okay. Get a little bit more. Okay. There we go. I'm kind of doing this backwards than the way I'm normally used to doing it, so that you guys can see it. So I think I'm going to go down here, make it a little more wavy right there, and right there. And then come back right there. Let's have another wave within a wave. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Now let me look at it with you guys, since I'm working a little sideways. And this is the one I was referring to back here that I've already done in the past. That's just to give you a visual of what this is going to dry like. I'll hold this one up so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. I'm just giving it a good look to see if it needs anything. Let me turn it towards me for a second. Excuse my arm. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Okay. I hope you guys like it. And hopefully you give me a big like and a subscribe. I'll continue to do string pulls for you. I have flowers and leaves, and like I said, this is an ocean one that I did with more waves in it, but this is just to give you guys an idea of what you can do, or what you have to work with. What do you guys think? I hope you like it. I'm going to fix the sand a little bit. Get my rag and get my hands cleaned off and fix that sand up some. Let's get my finger in here. I'm going to get this nice and... There we go. Get that sand nice and fixed up. There. Pretty cool. Alright. So let me know if you like it. Hopefully you do. Hopefully I was of some help with how I do my waves. I've been asked to do a beach scene. And there we go. There's my beach. A couple of them actually. So, like I said, if you like it, hopefully you'll give me a big thumbs up and a like, and subscribe, And I really appreciate you guys watching. I enjoy doing this for you guys. And I'm going to give you another look. And that's it. So thanks so much, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hi guys, first I wanted to show you the dried one that I had in the background. I wanted to show you how the glitter dries. Pretty cool, looks like real sand to me. And what the cells did in this one. Looks like bubbles and some jellyfish. And let me show you the demo one that I did for you guys. And I wanted to show you exactly how to pull your string. Pretty cool. I really like the way that part came out. Yeah, well, actually, all of it. I like the way these wave over waves are too. Pretty cool. So I hope you guys give me a big thumbs up and hopefully subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. I really enjoyed doing it for you, and I thank you so much for watching.